Welcome to this demo of WhatsApp integration with Bitrix24 CRM and Twilio Flex. We're going to look at registering a new phone number with WhatsApp, designing intelligent routing of incoming messages, handling messages inside a dedicated agent portal or within your CRM, and using WhatsApp for outgoing promotional messages. Let's start by looking at the two options you have for handling incoming messages. On the screen we have our Bitrix24 CRM, and we can view messages within a slider within our CRM here, and we can sync the conversation back to the contact record within our CRM. Let's go over to our Flex console, and this is a customizable console. On the left hand side you'll see incoming messages, and on the right hand side we can configure that to show CRM data. So let's have a look at how we set this up, and then we'll show a demo of an incoming message. First thing you need to do is either port a number or to Twilio or buy a new phone number. We can choose, if we're buying a number, a region, and I can search through a list of numbers and purchase one of these for $1 a month in the US. Once we've got our number, we need to register that number with WhatsApp. We can do that from within our Twilio console. That will take about 3 days. Once that's done, we can create our Twilio WhatsApp profile page from within our Twilio console. I'll update the settings on this page. Then I'll get a profile on WhatsApp like this, and I've got my contact information on the profile page. So we've got a phone number, we've registered that with WhatsApp, we've created a profile page. Next thing we need to do is route our messages to the most appropriate agent. So we have a very simple studio flow here, which sends an incoming message through to our Flex, our agents portal. We can improve this flow a little bit. So I'm going to add in 2 outcomes at the bottom here. I'm going to add a message, an outgoing message at the top, and we are going to have a split down here. So an incoming message, I'm going to trigger an outgoing message. So this might be a question about which department would you like the message routing to. Is it sales or is it support? Based on the reply we receive there, then we can create 2 different conditions, and in this one we can route messages through to our sales team, and in this one we can route through to our support team. So very easy to create message flows so that the right people receive the right messages. So once we're set up, let's test a message inside our Flex console. So sending a message from WhatsApp, we can see it's come in here, and we can reply from our Twilio Flex profile. Other way of doing this is, let's just end that conversation, is to do this from within the CRM. Just need to switch the webhook so that we're actually pointing now incoming messages through to our CRM. Once that's saved, let's just go into our CRM page, close that window for now, and we'll send another message. And we get a notification up here. Let's bring this over here. And we can see the message here and able to provide support for that customer in here. Within our Bitrix 24 CRM, we've got additional features that we can bring into play here. So we can send links for payment, we can send links to products from within this slider page, and we can also save this information into our CRM record. So that's it for incoming messages. Two different ways of receiving and replying to incoming messages, either within the Twilio Flex agent portal or within your own CRM. The only other thing you might want to do is send outgoing messages to subscribers, to your subscribers within WhatsApp, and that's possible also from within your Twilio console. You need to create templates. Those templates need to be approved by WhatsApp. You can submit a form here with type of message that you want to use. Submit that. Once that's approved, you'll be able to send outgoing messages to your WhatsApp users.